Hello friends, welcome to my channel Opportunity Platform. Amway started its business in India in 1998 with 6 products and today it have its own manufacturing plant in Madurai, India. As on today, Amway India have around 150 products in different categories of personal care, home care, skin care, nutrition supplements, agriculture, cookware range, and air purifiers. Amway is recognized internationally for making best quality products and following good manufacturing practices. Each product is launched after a lot of survey, research and quality tests, and every product has some specialty which make it different and unique from other market products. In my another video, you will get information about this. Another important point is that most of the Amway products are concentrated, and that's why these become very economical and budget saver as compared to equivalent good quality market products. Apart from this, these products are environmental friendly and their waste do not harm environment. In this video part 1, we will have an overview about personal care range of Amway. There are 6 categories in personal care range, namely hair care, body care, oral care, men's grooming, hair oils and fragrances. So let us start here with hair care category, which has given a special name Satanic range. In this category, we have 4 types of shampoos, 1 conditioner, hair mask and hair scalp tonic mainly. In Satanic 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, a special patented Energy complex is added which through borage oil and vitamin E brings your hair to healthy stage by repairing, strengthening and rejuvenating weak hairs internally. It can be used for all types of hairs and make hair soft, silky and smooth through conditioner. In Satanic anti-dandruff shampoo, apart from Energy complex, there is zinc, pyrithione and vitamin E blend which provide nourishment to dry scalp and effectively control dandruff, scalp itchings and eliminate flax. In Satanic hair fall control shampoo, apart from Energy complex, there is a blend of ginseng, Eclipta alba extract and mulberry leaf extract which help in reduction of hair loss due to breakages of thin and weak hairs and make them strong and dense. In Satanic glossy repair shampoo, apart from Energy complex, there is a blend of pomegranate extract and grape seed extract that repairs and revitalizes dry and damaged hairs. Due to sulfate-free formula, it also helps protect color from fading for up to 45 washes. Satanic Glossy Repair Conditioner have conditioning ingredients as well as pomegranate and grapeseed extract. It can be used with hair fall control shampoo, dandruff control shampoo and glossy repair shampoo. It improves hydration and make your hairs glossy, soft and silky look. It also protect and repair damaged hairs. Satanic Revitalizing Hair Mask has a blend of kukai seed oil and grape seed extract apart from patented Energy complex that helps reducing weak, damaged, split-ended hairs remarkably. It is thick white gel conditioning cream which is to be used on wet hair after washing with shampoo. Keep it for 5 to 7 minutes and then wash the hairs again. It rejuvenates and strengthens the structure of hairs, thus making hairs strong, soft and silky. Satanic Scalp Tonic has patented scalp revitalizing complex and a blend of shiso extract, saw palmetto, licorice root and green rooibos extract that help breakage of thin hairs and make them thick, dense and strong by increasing diameter of hairs. It also contains good moisturizers which help in reduction of dryness of scalp and flax. It is to be applied on dry scalp and not to be washed and should be applied twice a day for good results. In oral care category, Glister toothpaste contains patented Reminect formula which help remineralization of damaged enamel layer and in turn prevent teeth decay and cavities and keep our teeth strong. It also removes plaque, whitens teeth, freshes breath and reduces surface stains of coffee, tea and tobacco. It has unique fine round shaped particles which cleans and polishes enamel without causing harm and damages by abrasion, which other toothpaste do. In Glister herbal toothpaste, apart from all benefits of patented Reminect formula Additional benefits of 11 herbs are added which maintain complete oral hygiene and health of teeth and gums. It does not create sensation even after being herbal like other brands do. For kids, there is Glister Kids toothpaste which have a special strawberry flavor and fragrance. Apart from all benefits of patented Reminect formula, kids like it very much. In oral care, we have Glister Advanced Toothbrush which, due to its unique shape, round dew point bristles, tongue cleaner and flexible neck, do 360-degree cleaning of our teeth, gums and tongue. It contains additional lamella bristles that provide massage to gums softly while brushing. It gives very soft feeling in mouth and very comfortable to handle as non-slippery grip with additional advantage of acupressure point. Made from 100% non-toxic and recyclable material. Persona Classic toothbrush has been made slightly thin and thus becomes very budget friendly. For kids, Persona Junior toothbrush has been made with very attractive shape which they like very much. In body care category, G&H Refresh Body Wash Gel is there for having a glorious and luxurious bath. It is full of the benefits of glycerin and honey with additional advantage of aloe, grapeseed extract and green tea extract that help make skin fresh, soft and hydrated, which prevent dryness in skin. Sulfate and soap-free biodegradable formula and have patented non-irritating complex which keep our skin soothing. G&H Nourish Body Lotion for nourishing body have additional organic blend of shea butter and pumpkin seed oil apart from glycerin and honey that improves skin moisture by 129%. Easily spreadable and skin easily absorbs it, giving non-oily and soft skin. Persona Soap is a premium moisturizing soap which contains sweet almond oil, glycerin and vitamin E which gives soft and smooth feel along with antioxidant benefits of vitamin E for skin protection. Persona Hand Wash is germ protection hand wash and triclosan, paraben and sulfate free formula with good amount of aloe content that without harm cleans hand and gives soft feeling to hands. Persona Glycerin Soap have 99% pure glycerin with additional advantage of aloe vera and tea tree oil that keep skin soft and soothing and provides germ protection also. Persona Talcum is a very premium powder having fine particles with additional advantage of chandan, devdar and sesame tree and fragrance of rose and jasmine that absorb sweat easily and remove its bad odors with providing long duration fragrance and coolness. In men's grooming range, which is going to relaunch in 2021, we have shaving foam, razor with unique techniques, 3-in-1 shower gel, hair cream, etc. that contains lot of natural ingredients giving refreshing and revitalizing feeling to men's. In fragrance category, we have Dynamite Deos with strong male fragrances for men's and Attitude Deos for females with refreshing fragrances that prevent body odors and make feel fresh. A very unique point is that these do not leave white spots on clothes and not harmful for skin. In hair oil category, Persona Amla Oil is full of goodness of natural amla that gives natural shine and strengthen roots of hairs. It prevents dry scalp and gives good conditioning and nourishment to hairs. Second, Persona Coconut Oil is made up of 100% pure coconut oil that gives good nourishment to hairs and scalp. Persona Hand Sanitizer Gel kills 99.9% germs and keep hands soft due to aloe vera in it. Thus, we have very best quality and economical personal care products which make you feel refreshing, energetic and radiant without any harm to your skin. It's a worth decision to shift to a quality range. Friends, these products you can get from the person who shared you this video with more detailed information. If you like this video, please press like button, comment, share to your near and dears who want good quality products. Some more good videos are about to come, so subscribe my channel. Thank you.